Okay, guys, welcome to week 7 of your online learning. Hopefully it won't be too much longer. Okay, so this video is going to talk you through the whole of lesson 1. I'm going to teach you lesson 2 and it's going to be an hour this week on Friday morning. Okay, so you just need to make sure you've done all of the learning in lesson 1 first. It is quite fact-based, quite sort of watching some videos, taking notes based, so that you've got a lot of background information to allow me to carry on teaching you the poem in lesson 2. So, you are going to be exploring the poem Ozymandias, which was written by Percy Shelley, who's Mary Shelley's husband, and the context around Ozymandias. So on slides 3 and 4, you do a quick quiz. Slide 5, you watch this video about just why is context important generally, okay? And then make some notes on that, explain in your own words why context is important on slide 6. Slide 7, there's a bit of a longer video, about a 10-minute video on romanticism. We would have talked about romanticism already, but I can't remember in how much depth. Okay, so you've got different pieces of different instructions there, depending on your grade, but at least 5 bullet point pieces of information. 7 for grade 6 and 7, and at least 8 for grades 8 and 9. And you're going to bullet point that on here. However, I did want to say that if you want to mind map instead of bullet point, you can. And if you would rather do this by hand while you're watching the videos and then take a photo and upload it to that slide or upload it with your work that week, that's absolutely fine with me. Slide 9 brings you on to reading the actual poem. And there is a video on the next slide, which is an animated version of that poem. So I've just that slide to give you some basic understanding of the poem at first there. And then on slide 11, you've got task 6, which is to watch the GCSE pod video on Shelley and Ozymandias, and then to make some notes there. So it is quite sort of watch a video, make some notes, watch a video, make some notes. But as I said, I don't mind if you want to do those notes by hand and take a photo of them. And if you want to use a bullet point list or a mind map, that's fine with me. Last task is to think about just what do you think this kind of leader is. There are some stills from the film The Prince of Egypt here. If you ever saw that when you were a kid. Well, you know you are a kid, but a younger kid. And then I just want you to reflect a bit on what type of leader you think Ozymandias was. We will go on to talk about that in a lot more detail from slide 15 in the lesson on Friday, and I look forward to seeing you there. As always, if you have any problems whatsoever with accessing the work, with doing the work before Friday's lesson, please let me know and I'll give you a ring. Okay, guys, hope to see you on Friday and I will hopefully see you in real life soon.